We're going to end our week this week learning about whales. And on our YouTube video today, there's two items for you to look at. One is a craft project involving whales, and the other is a science experiment about whale blubber, which I'm going to demonstrate for you right now. So let's look at what materials we're going to need in order to do our experiment. First of all, we're going to need 4 Ziploc bags. 2 of them I turned inside out, and 2 of them are the right way. I have some lard, and I have a bowl of ice water. So, whales swim in very, very cold waters, like other ocean animals, like polar bears and penguins. So there's a reason they're able to do that and still stay warm. And that is because they have a fat or a blubber in their body that insulates them. So this experiment today is going to show us how that blubber works to keep them warm in very cold waters. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the plastic bags I turned inside out, and I'm going to cover it with the lard. And this lard is, as you can see, is what whale blubber would look like. So I'm going to really cover my fingers with the blubber. And I'm going to do both sides. I'm going to do the front of my hand and the back of my hand. And I'm going to make a nice thick coating of fat. Add a little more on this side. Okay, so that's one hand, and then I'm going to take the other bag that was inside out, and I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then we're going to take, and I'm going to put the other 2 Ziploc bags over these 2. So there's a Ziploc bag over the blubber hand, and a Ziploc bag over the hand, the plain bag. Now we're going to see what my hands feel like when I place them in the ice water. Which one is going to be colder? Do you think it's going to be the one with the blubber on it, or the one that has no blubber on it? So let's go in. Oh, guess what? This one feels very cold. Where this one, I hardly feel any cold at all. And that shows how whales are able to stand the very cold waters that they swim in. So I want you to try this experiment at home with your parents. It's a great sensory experiment. Enjoy.